Hey guys, Raf Nogal here, Toronto-based photographer. I was able to get my hands on the Profoto Connect Pro, just released, a really nice welcomed addition to the lineup here. So just wanted to do a quick one-off video, no cuts, no retakes. We're just gonna go and unbox this thing and show you guys what we're getting inside. So let's get into it. Box looks as expected, nice matte finish. Reminds me of an Apple product as usual. Profoto's done a really good job in their packaging. So that looks really cool. Let's get this thing opened. And you see right away, we're seeing that there is a nice hard case here, which is awesome because as a wedding photographer, I throw gear in my bag and I don't want to crush remotes, especially the pins on the back of the Sony remote. So this is a nice hard case. This is not going to get crushed. You're going to have your remote well protected in here. So let's get this open. This is awesome. So as we open this, there is a note here for 1 year extra warranty just to register your product within the first 60 days. So this is a no-brainer. Certainly go and do that. You should be registering your product anyway, but to get another year of warranty on a remote, which is awesome. So definitely go ahead and do that. So as we look at the remote, really nice sleek design here, beautiful lines. It feels just a tiny bit bigger than the Air TTL remote, maybe a little bit longer, but feels solid. It feels really nice. The version I'm holding here is the non-TTL version. So there's going to be obviously versions for Canon, Sony, Nikon, Fujifilm, and if you're a Leica shooter, you're in luck as well. You're going to get TTL with a dedicated Leica remote, which is going to be awesome. So, so this is a non-TTL single pin. This will fire any, basically any Profoto Light, Air TTL Light, but you're not going to get TTL. You're not going to get high-speed sync because it is just a single pin. It doesn't have any of that other information. So let's get this turned on. You're going to see a nice display here. So you press and hold the button. Large display, beautiful interface. You can change the power as you scroll the wheel. Now you can see the power like we're used to with our Air TTL remotes, or you can switch it to that. You're actually going to see the power of the flash, which is something that we've been wanting for a long, long time. So I'm so glad that Profoto has done that for us in this case. Now I don't have it set up to do that at this very moment, but we'll be able to see the power here. Another really cool thing about this, guys, is that it is 100 channels. So as I go into the remote, Air channels here, I'm going all the way down and I get all the way to 100 channels. So you'll never be on the same channel as someone else. And so that's really great if you're a studio photographer, especially working in places where there are multiple photographers shooting and they're shooting Profoto. We also have Air 1 and Air 2, so you can switch those systems as well. Bluetooth capabilities, so we have Bluetooth on. This will now, you can connect this to the app. It will connect to all the lights, and then that's why you're going to be able to see the power. So you can control individual groups, multiple groups, and it goes A, B, C, D, E, and F, which is nice, and you can cycle through D to F or A to C here, and you can actually control individual groups like F, which is something that we haven't been able to do before. So that's been really, really cool that you can get actual individual light controls all the way up to group F here. So we can control the modeling light as well. You can see that logo popping up there. We can turn off the heads individually as well with a button here. On and off button is on the side, which is really cool. And then you press the middle button, you're getting into the menu and the advanced menu here. So we have control sounds, warning sounds, backlight, standby, auto off, battery type. Now this is interesting. Battery type is auto here. I do have auto and I do have lithium as an option as well. And so let's talk a little bit about the battery. And I'll show you the back, and it's a little bit interesting. We do have now AAAs, as we did before, but we're able to use different types of AAAs, not just alkaline batteries. We can use rechargeable batteries. And I've noticed one thing here too, that once you take these out, you see that there is an option here with some pins here. So I don't know if that means there will be a power pack of some kind, maybe some rechargeable option where we'll be able to replace these batteries with something here to occupy the space and actually clip into these pins. Again, I don't know much about batteries, but that's kind of a bit of a maybe a hint of what may come. Now again, I'm just speculating. I don't have any official information on that, but just wanted to point that out as well. And if that is the case, that's going to be pretty cool to be able to have AAAs maybe as a backup and use an actual rechargeable option here to switch out if that is the case. Again, speculation at this point, so we'll know later, I'm sure. So that's it, guys. That's the remote. It's pretty amazing. So far, so good. Fits nicely in here. Again, in the box, there is one thing I didn't mention is the quick safety guide here, a quick start and safety guide. And so yeah, this is the new remote. I'm very excited because again, seeing the power is going to really help, you know, just the workflow. I think for the most part, it just makes things easier instead of asking my assistant what power I'm on. So a welcome change, really nice sleek design. I'm excited to see what this remote can do. Any questions about it, guys, just let me know. Again, this is just a one-off video. Just wanted to do a single take just to show you guys what you're going to be getting with the remote when you make the purchase. So yeah, reach out anytime. See you guys. Have a great day. Take care.